Hello, I'm back. Hi, how are you? I'm well, thank you. So good to see you again. I'm Mary. Welcome to my channel. If you've been here before and seen my only other video, welcome back to my channel. Just want to say thanks for 10 subscribers. 7 subscribers in 7 days. That's 1 subscriber a day. Holy smokes, we're making moves. Today I went to the worst place in the world, Walmart. I was inspired by myself from last week rambling on about my boy jeans, otherwise known as my little boy jeans, otherwise known as my young boy jeans. There's a lot of names, one pair of jeans, okay? So I decided to go and see if I could find things that I would actually wear. No, and I knew, but I really understand now, Walmart is not a gold mine. It is a diamond in the rough place. It was very difficult, but I succeeded. I got a few items, some that I think are actually really cute or have the potential to be really cute. I also videoed while I was in Walmart, and that was really bad because I don't know how to vlog, but here's that footage for your viewing enjoyment. What's up? My camera's at a weird angle, and so I have to be down here. I don't want to go to Walmart. I don't want to go there. It just doesn't feel like the vibe. It feels like I'm gonna feel awkward. Don't want to go, but I am going, even though it feels like an extremely advanced step to be taking. Here we go. I don't want to go inside. Here I go. It's not that hard. Okay, so let's jump into the stuff I got. So the first thing I got was this absolute balloon of a top. Wow. It's enormous and it's a small, but it's actually really nice. This is something I think you would actually find at H&M for like $25 or $30, and it was probably around $10. It's very summery, very cute, 100% cotton. It's got little eyelet details, it's got embroidery, blue and white stripes. Cute. Blue and white is one of my favorite color combinations, and it's just really nice, and yeah, I was surprised. Good job, Walmart. The next thing I got was this, and it is a little girl's leotard for ballet. So cute. It was with like the other little pink little cute leotards, but this one I thought, hello bodysuit, it's a bodysuit, it's black, there's really not that much I can say about it other than it looks like a normal bodysuit, and it was like $5. $6.67. $6.97. So I don't know who exactly George is, but George, you're doing things right for the men of Walmart. They have a really cute men's section at Walmart. There's a lot of stuff. I was like, I would love to see that on my hypothetical man. That would be so cute. And I got this, and it's one of those long t-shirts that I don't really see guys wearing that much anymore. I feel like it's a little bit of an older trend, but it's pretty much a t-shirt dress. So I put it on, rolled the sleeves up, and I put it with this belt, really cute belt buckle, and it gives me very 80s vibes. low-key, high-key, the 80s are my vibe, and I subtly try to incorporate it into a lot of my outfits. This outfit, not subtle at all. It's just full 80s, but I really like it, and I want to keep it and wear it all the time. The last thing I got was this belt. There were a lot of cute belts there, and this isn't something that I usually wear only because it's got silver hardware. This is really, really, really cute, and I like it so much. The only thing is, like the other one you saw in the clip was huge for me, this one is just as big. I don't know why, because they're size small, and I'm a small. I don't get it. It's fine. This belt, it does things to me, and I love it. So I did have two more things, but long story short, they pretty much just didn't come out of the store with me when I purchased my stuff. So I went back inside and got one of the things, which are these little shorts from the boys section. I know that they're uniform shorts, but they really remind me of kind of like utilitarian style things I've seen lately. However, I picked up the wrong size. The size in the changing room was bigger than this one, I guess. This is 14, 16. I think I must have been 18, aka husky. I would have cut them short, and they're, you know, they come up high-waisted, and wow, so cute. I was pretty disappointed. And the other item was a white t-shirt. It was men's, and I was gonna kind of cut it. Could have been cute, would have been cute. Oh well. Okay, that's all. I'm finished. I hope you enjoyed this video. I had a little bit of a hard time making it because this is maybe the 8th time that I've done this, and the 2nd time that I've like fully like refilmed it. I just felt weird about it. Last week was so easy to just sit down and like do it, but this one was a little harder, and that's okay, you know? You gotta make it through the hard days. But yeah, I hope you have a great day, and that's all. Bye.